Good morning, students. Let's begin with question number 4 today, because up to 3 we have already discussed. Okay. Now, using the laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Means we have to simplify it, but we have to write the answer in exponential form only. Okay. And we have to use all the laws which I have already discussed in the last video. So, in this, which law we can apply? Minus 3 to the power 5, minus 3 to the power 2 means square, minus 3 to the power 1 means all the bases are same. So, by the first law, if the bases are same, then we have to add the power whenever it is in multiply. So, can we write it? Minus 3 to the power 5 plus 2 plus 1. So, minus 3 to the power 5, 6, 7 and 1, 8. So, because we have to write the answer in exponential form, so this will be the answer. If suppose it would have been here not written to write the answer in exponential form, suppose it will be written only simplify it, then we can break it also. How to break it? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 8 times and then multiply and write the answer. But in the question it is written to write the answer in exponential form. So this is the exponential form only. Okay. Similarly, it's B number. You can see all the bases are same. So what we will do? We will add the power like this. It is in divide. So write it separately now. 6 to the power 11 plus 7. 18. 18 plus 3. 21. Okay. Now next, if it is in divide, if the base are same and it is in divide, so what shall I do? We have to subtract the power. 21 minus 5, that will be equal to 6 to the power 16. 21 minus 5, 16. Okay. So, exponential form, this will be the answer. Similarly, it's C number, 3 to the power 2 and whole 3 divided by 3 to the power 5. First of all, recall the law. If power over power, then we multiply the power, m over n. So, we are multiplying m into n, 3 to the power 3 2 ja 6 divided by 3 to the power 5, and it is in divide. So, we will subtract the power. 6 minus 5, that is equal to 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1 means what? 3 only. Okay. It's D number also. Let's see. Minus 5 square and there is a power 3. Okay. So, minus 5 to the power 3 2 ja 6 into minus 5 to the power minus 3 it is and it is 2. So, multiply the power. 3 2 ja 6, but it will be in minus. Minus plus minus. Okay. Now, base is same. So, what we do? If the base is same, we add the power. 6 plus, it is in minus. So, we will write in bracket. Minus 5, 6 plus minus, minus 6. So, minus 5 to the power 6 minus 6, 0. Minus 5 to the power 0. Any number power 0 is equal to what? 1. But we have to write the answer in exponential form. So, this will be the answer. No need to write 1. Got it? Now, question number 5. In this, you have to say true or false. This will be equal to this or not. If it is equal, then we have to write true. If it is not equal, then false. Similarly, if this value will be greater than this, then we will write true. And if it is not, we will write false. So, see, question number 5. 3 into 5 to the power 3. So, just solve it that this side is equal to this or not. So, 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. Then 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. And 125 into 3 equal to 375. 125 into 3 if you will do, we will get this. Okay. Now, this one 5 to the power 3, 15 into 15 into 15 cube, 15 to the power 3. So, 3 times. Now, 15 into 15 what? We will get 225 and multiply by 15 we will get 3375. This both are equal? No, it is not equal. You can see this is not equal to this. So 3 into 5 cube is not equal to 15 cube. This is the sign of not equal to. So this will be false. Okay. Similarly, this one, this is greater than or this or not. Just take out the value 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. Then 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. And what will be this value? 3 square. 3 into 3. 9. 9 is greater or 8 is greater? Of course 9 is greater. So this one is greater. But what is here? Here is written that this is greater than this. Is it true or false? This is also false. Got it? Because this is not greater. This one is greater. You can write it like this. 3 square is greater than 2 cube. So it's C and D number. I am leaving it for you. This one how you will do? 3 to the power 0. 0 means 1. Its value will be a 1 and its value will be also 1. So 1 into 1, 1, and this is also 1. 1 equals to 1. Yes, this will be true. Okay, and this one you have to solve it and then see both are equal or not. Okay, now question number 6, simplify each of the following. How we will simplify this? Let's see. Simplify means just we have to find out the value. No need to write the answer in exponential form, but we have to find out the proper value. So 49, if you will simplify, it will be easy for you if you will expand all. 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Write down 3 times. It will be easier for you to solve. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. And 7 square means 7 into 7. You can see how it is easier. 10, 10 ja 100. So 2 10 we can simply cut. And 7, 7. 2 7 will be 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. It will get cancelled. Okay. Now we have 3 2 times here. So 49 into 7 by 3 into 3 into 3. And one more 10 is also left here. Okay. Now just multiply it. If you will multiply it, what we will get? 9 7 ja 63 and 7 4 ja 28 plus 6 34. 3 40 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27. 27 into 10 270. We cannot cancel it further, so this will be the answer. Okay. Now it's B number. This is 121 into 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5 by 11 into 11 into 5. 11 is 2 times. Okay. Now 11 11 ja 121. 11 1 ja 11. 11 1 ja 11. This is cancelled. 5 1 ja 5. 5 5s are 25 and nothing is down, only 1. So 25 will be the answer. Got it? Similarly, it's C number also. If the question is like this, A cube, B square, B cube, A square, just first of all we will expand it, because if you are expanding the question, it is easier for us to solve. How? A will get cancelled. 1B and 1B will get cancelled. Now 1A left here and 2A. A cube and B into B into B into B 4 times. 1 2 3 4. B to the power 4. A cube B to the power 4 will be the answer, because nothing is left in the denominator. Okay. Now it's 7 number question, because D number I am leaving it for you to solve. Okay. You can do it. Expand it and just cancel out. Now using laws of exponent, compute each of the following and answer in exponential form. This also you have to write the answer in exponential form. So this is very easy, students. You have to write it in exponential form and use the law. So if 6 by 7 to the power cube and whole to the power 4, if there is power over power, what we do according to that law? 6 by 7 we multiply the power, m into n, 3 4s are 12. And as in the question it is said that you have to write the answer in exponential form, so this will be the answer. No need to expand and simplify it. Okay. Similarly this one, 5 by 9 power over power, multiply 6 3s are 18, and this will be the answer. Similarly it's C number. I am leaving it for you to do this. C and D both. Minus, don't get confused, minus 1 by 3 to the power 6. 9 7 ja 63. Minus 3 by 5 to the power 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now question number 8. Simplify and answer each of the following in exponential form. Yes, you have to write the answer in exponential form in this also. And how to simplify it? Let's see. This is the question. Minus 3 by 31. Minus 3 by 31. Minus 3 by... all the bases are same. So if the bases are same, what we do? We just add up the power. No, there is a divide sign. So be careful. This 2 we can multiply, but this one we have to divide. So according to BODMAS rule apply. In the BODMAS we do the division first. To write the multiplication one as it is, we will divide this 2 first. Okay. Minus 3 by 31 division rule. We subtract the power. 4 minus 8. So minus 3 by 31 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 31 to the power 4 minus 8 value will be minus 4. Because 8 is bigger than 4, so its minus sign will come here. Now multiply root. 3 by 31. This is 31. 5 plus minus 4. So minus 3 by 31. Multiply, we are adding the power, no? So 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 31 to the power 1. This will be the answer only, exponential form. Got it? Now let's see its B number. First of all, minus 3 to the power 2 3 ja 6. Okay, we will multiply it. Now 1 by minus 3 to the power 3 2 ja 6. So both the power is both the value is same. So for this we can simply cancel out this and write the answer in answer 1. But we have to write the answer in exponential form. So we will move with the rule only. You can write this bracket also or that bracket also. 6. If you will write it in inverse form, it will be minus 6. Now minus 3 to the power 6. We are adding the power if the bases are same. So minus 3 to the power 6 minus 6. So minus 3 to the power 0. This will be the answer. Got it? Now from question number 9 also you have to simplify and express in the rational form, rational number form. Just multiply, base are same, then you can multiply, or you can expand it or cancel out it. Base are same, then you can apply the laws. Okay, same or different. So question number 9 I am leaving it for you students. You have to try. Next day, in the next video, we will complete from question number 10 to 14. Okay. In 9, if you have confusion, you can ask me.